Namaste everyone. Today we are going to talk on a very simple and very important topic which is related to yoga and modern science. Most of the people who likes yoga, they reject modern science. And who likes modern science, they reject yoga. But actually, both are very much related. Our yogis found lots of important wisdom in their own self, which is similarly found by modern science in external world. Our yogis, they research on their own self, and modern scientists are doing research on the external world. Both are trying to find out something. Yogis found modern science's finding. We should not reject each other, we should try to relate each other. For an example, our yogis described the chakras, their locations, their functions in human body. And the locations, functions they have mentioned in human body, modern science, they have described at the same locations the endocrine glands and their functions. And there is a lot relation between the chakras and endocrine glands. Chakras are located on back side of our body, most of them, and the glands are located on the front side of our body, most of them. And it's on one line. The location is same. So basically, we should not reject each other, we should try to relate each other. How? I remember in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Shri Krishna mentioned that he described the ecosystem in some verses. Sri Krishna said, all the living beings depend on food, and food depends on the rain. Rain depends on the clouds, and clouds depend on the vaporization of water which is done by the fire. Here Sri Krishna is talking about the Yajna fire, Havan fire. And the fire description is written in Vedas, and Vedas are written by the Supreme. So Sri Krishna told Arjun, you should take care, or you should do always the fire ceremony, Havan or Yajna or Yajna, whatever you call it. This is our spiritual science set, this is our yogic science set, this is Bhagavan Sri Krishna mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. Now, how can we relate it to the modern science? It's very simple. All the living beings depend on food. Food depend on rain. Rain depend on clouds. Cloud depend on fire. Here we are talking about the food. Let's look at the food. Food is related to one of the kosha of our body, Annamaya kosha, food layer. The first layer of our body is Annamaya kosha, the food layer. And food layer means the fire, the digestive fire. Sri Krishna told Arjun, you should take care of the fire ceremony, you should do always the fire ceremony. And here, in modern science, we are talking about maintain the digestive fire. In Havan, in fire ceremony, in Yajna, we are offering the herbs to the fire, because fire is known as the mouth of universe. We are offering the nature, we are offering the universe by saying Swaha. And while we eat the food, what we are doing? We are offering to the fire of self. We are offering to the fire of self to maintain the fire of human body. So we should always do good fire ceremony of our own self. We should always offer the good things to our fire, like we offer into the fire ceremony which is mentioned in Vedas, and this fire ceremony mentioned in human body. All the modern scientists are still working on this digestive fire. Ayurveda said, Jaisa khai ann vaisa hoye man. Whatever you eat, you become that. And modern science also believe in it. Means what the fire Sri Krishna mentioned in Bhagavad Gita and the fire we are talking in this modern age, both are actually same. One is our activity to the society, to the universe, to the nature. One, our activity to the self. So this is how we can relate the spiritual science and modern science together. Thank you so much to all of you. Namaste.